All right, what is going on today, guys? Today, we're gonna be going over developing and crafting an email strategy for your business. You know, how I look at crafting email strategies, how I look at timelines, how I look at, how to get the most LTV and AOV out of your customer right after they buy or they become an opt-in, what nurtures you should be having. This is gonna be a very quick video, not a lot in it, but I'm gonna be going over how to, when we think about email strategy, how I craft stuff from scratch. So let's think about this as if we're gonna do a customer journey. So day one, okay, that customer is either doing two things. They're either a purchase or they're an opt-in. And when we think about an opt-in, we simply think about an email opt-in, SMS opt-in, they put their information into a pop-up on your website, okay? So how do we take each of these and have some type of strategy involved, okay? Because most of the time, your purchase that people are making, you can think right now that one product that people buy on your store that sells like wildfire, okay? And if that's the case, this is gonna be your front end, okay? Your front end, and we'll just call it your front end offer. The thing that people buy the most with the least amount of effort, okay? In your marketing costs and expenses. So now what we're gonna do is this. We're now gonna develop a day one, okay? A day two, and then a day, three, day four, and there could be more, obviously. I'm just giving an estimate here, and then we'll do day five, right? And this is what we call the welcome sequence on how they come into your ecosystem, right? This purchase is when they're the most excited. So on your store, you should be having, one-click upsells, one-click downsells, an offer on the thank you page. So thank you page offer. And that's through, Zipify OCU. Okay. Now, day one, if they just purchase this product, what do you think you should be selling them on day one? Well, day one is hey, welcome, get another one, get a +1 of what they just bought. So it's hey, if I got one bottle of hair oil right here, the next upsell should be, hey, listen, you got this one bottle, but to get the best results possible, you're gonna need 60 days of a supply instead of 30. So you might as well get an extra bottle and you can use this code to get X amount off. So that's day one. Day two is, okay, another welcome, thanks for being part of the brand, follow us on IG, follow us. That's where it's no selling at all. So follow us on IG, make sure you like us on Facebook, get them more into the ecosystem. This is what I call the ecosystem play. I know my handwriting's messy, but you can hear my voice, so. And then day three is get faster or better results, okay? So if I'm getting hair oil, my faster, better result is shampoo, plus conditioner. Okay, and that would be my day three. My day 4 and 5 are selling this again, and then you can sell another one of these bundles. So what am I doing though that's different? I'm using a different angle. I'm using social proof plus pay over time. Okay, and how would I do that is, you got a bottle, get 2 bottles. Get a 90-day supply. Here's some review, and then listen, if you don't want to pay for all this up front, just use Sezzle or Klarna or ShopPay. Okay? So now within, that 4 days, I might be getting, I got my first purchase, I might get a buyer. Again, they might be following me on Instagram. They might be buying my faster, better result of what they already bought. And now they're getting hit with a social proof and the pay over time on a bigger bundle of more of the same of what they bought here. And then the fifth one, the fifth email would be another social proof plus pay over time. But what about these options. You could do a subscription play where it's like, hey, like get a bottle every 3 months for this amount off, and you even could pay for it over time. Maybe a subscription and they pay ahead of time. Plus pay ahead. Or it's another pay over time on this, the shampoo and conditioner. Maybe they didn't take the shampoo and conditioner. Or there's another product that is faster or better results of the first one that they bought. And that's how I would do the whole purchase welcome sequence there. Now, if they're going through an opt-in, there's day 1, day 2, and then day 3, okay? Now, what are we trying to do in this opt-in, right? They opted in but didn't buy. So now you're basically just selling this front-end product here. So day 1's like, hey, like, you know, you forgot this discount, you know, get it. Like, this is kind of like the reminder. Day 2 is, you know, hey, listen, like, I'm going to give you something extra. So they might have gotten, you know, let's say it's a 10% off opt-in. This day 2 is 15% off. And then day 3 is like, listen, is it the price? Because if it is, I'll give you 20% off and you can pay over time. Okay? And if you're wondering, you know, how often do I send these out, right? If they're a purchase, this is just 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours. This one is within 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This one's within an hour and 30 minutes. And then this one would be like 24 hours. Okay? So I hope this brings a lot of clarity to you in your email strategy. If you are running an e-com store, use Klaviyo, please. It's very, very affordable. If you're just starting out, it's gonna be less than like 20, 30 bucks a month, and you could do all these things in there with that plan. So thank you guys for hopping in today's video. If you're a Shopify store owner, you don't wanna do this all on your own, you want us to run it for you, just hit that Calendly link in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.